Welcome to Slow Home Studio. Too many people live in badly designed houses, and we want to change that.
Today we're going to be looking at a design question that was submitted to us by Shannon and Andrew. They're looking for some advice on their backyard.
Yes, and Shannon came to our course, our Outdoor Living and Landscape course recently, so she's been inspired to work on her own house, and she sent us a whole bunch of pictures and her idea for the backyard and her site plan. So we've got a lot to work with.
That's
We've
right.
had such a stellar success on our last design project. We need everyone to contribute and put in their 2 bits as well.
That's right. So let's have a quick look and analyze things. So it really is an unfinished backyard.
Yeah.
And what I think is important to start with is just this one picture of the interior, which gives a sense of the way in which their sort of style, and it is actually very nice, and they have some nice outdoor furniture, but the design kind of ends right at the back of that cushion there, and then you're in the paddock. For the backyard.
Yeah, and this really needs some help. It really is a blank slate. They have a pie-shaped lot, which means it's really wide at the back, and there is actually a little bit of an opportunity for some view because of the way the geometries of the neighbors' houses work. On the 2 sides, it's quite typical with backyards backing onto backyards, but they do have that one section that provides a little bit of view and a bit of an expansive opportunity to have some interesting design features.
And their goal is to try and bring their indoor living space out, continue that idea, and you can see that really it's more than just having a deck and some furniture. They also need to be able to provide for some space for their two children to be able to play, have water fights. There's a hot tub involved as well that we're going to need to deal with. And so if we just have a really quick look at the site, you can see that we've got front drive garage. Unfortunately, the house is oriented less than in an ideal way, so that garage is going to get tons and tons of south light, and the backyard faces north, although it's long enough that it should get east and west light too.
Yeah, and I think the one thing that is really good about this yard is because of the pie shape of the lot, you do have a lot of opportunity because you obviously don't need to have this entire thing as lawn or landscape. Even if you added a big deck and a hot tub, you're still going to have a lot of room to kind of layer back the yard and create some privacy from the other neighbors.
So what we're going to be doing is trying to upload an image of the larger neighborhood so that we can see exactly where all these houses are, provide that information to you, and then you give us your ideas, and we'll be back in a couple of days to show you our plan.
See you soon.
Bye.